Once again, it's time to take a trip down memory lane when I owned that little cafe on the road to nowhere. And I was Dave, chef to the stars. One day, Aubrey Plaza came into my shop and asked me to make her the best burger she ever ate, and I said, okay. So, the first thing I did was make a barbecue sauce for her. As you can see in my little pot, I have a clove of garlic that was sauteing in a couple of teaspoons of olive oil. Then I added 1 cup of tomato sauce and about a teaspoon of onion powder, and give this a stir around. By the way, this is over medium heat. And now I'm going to add 2 ounces of Marsala wine, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. You can find Marsala wine usually in any liquor store. It's in the wine section. It's usually in dessert or sweet wines. It should be right next to wherever they keep the port. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 ounces of water. Then you just want to stir everything together. Lower the heat to about medium-low to low. And stirring occasionally, you want to simmer this for 10 minutes. Take it off the heat, let it cool down, pour into a condiment bottle, and we should be ready for use. All right, let's move on to making the burger. All right, as you can see here, I've got some 80-20 quarter-pound patties. And for the seasoning for this, just a simple combination of Lowry's seasoning salt and freshly ground black pepper. And these will take about 3.5 minutes aside. And after the burgers are done or nearly done, add 1 slice of American cheese to each one and give it about a minute or so to melt up. And let's bring them on back into the diner. All right, time for assembly. As you can see here, we have a nicely toasted bun. Then we're going to add some shreddis to the bottom bun. This protects it from the grease of the burger. Then we're going to add some mayonnaise to the top bun. Then we're going to take our burger patty. Then we're going to take some thinly sliced white onions. And then we're going to add some pickles. As I've always stressed, burgers without pickles are garbage. Going to take another burger patty, make this a nice little double. Drizzle on that Marsala barbecue sauce. And pop the top on and serve it. And Miss Plaza loved this burger. Although, why she ate it completely nude from the waist down and what my waitress was doing under the table to her, I don't have the foggiest, but she seemed to enjoy whatever it was and enjoyed the burger. All right, till next time when we return to the little cafe on the road to nowhere.